What are the top reasons why you are getting declined for credit? First, your payment history is not 100%. We need to get that corrected. Make sure that you're paying all of your bills on time. Credit utilization. Make sure that your credit utilization is below 10%. Make sure you don't have any derogatory marks. History. We want our history to be as close to 5 years or more. Mixture of accounts. The nice mixture of accounts is at least 10 open active lines of credit being paid as agreed. Next, our inquiries. Inquiries are really important. If you have inquiries that are on your profile that are not providing you any value, you didn't get any benefit, there's no account attached to it, get it out of here. Call the credit bureaus and tell them, hey, I didn't authorize this. Those are the top reasons why you're getting declined and the data points that you need to look out for when it comes to your credit profile. My name is Nicole Scott. Stay tuned. Make sure that you like, subscribe, leave us a comment if you have any questions.